They say I'm crazy. They say I'm paranoid. They say I see ghosts in the machine. But I don't see ghosts. I see the wiring. I see theology dressed as prophecy, used to justify bombs, borders, and billion-dollar budgets. I see a media that doesn't inform, rather, it performs. A stage play, scripted by donors, directed by lobbyists, broadcast to keep you docile. I see churches preaching allegiance, not compassion. Belief systems turned into pipelines, from pulpit to policy, from scripture to sanctions. And I ask, who benefits from your blindness? Who profits from your silence? Let's get one thing clear. I'm not here to incite, I'm here to illuminate, because light is knowledge. And darkness is ignorance, corruption, and control. I didn't choose this path. I feel like it chose me. Or maybe I was built for it. To be a signal flare in the kitchen of Earth, where the heat's rising and all the recipes are rigged. So no, I'm not crazy. I'm awake. And if that makes you uncomfortable, maybe it's time to ask why comfort was ever your goal. I don't want war. I don't want to see any violence. I want clarity. I want truth. I want people to see the architecture behind the illusion. Because once you see the wiring, you stop worshiping the chandelier. Keep asking questions. You'll find your answers.